Hi, this is Tamir from TadiBrothers, and in this video I'll show you how to set up an RV backup camera bracket onto a Furrion mounting kit. That's for those people that have that half moon bracket in the back of their RV pre-wired with the socket for the Furrion cable. This will show you how to set that up. Before we get started, the first thing I want to remind you guys is, or actually give you a little tip, don't be scared to try stuff. This is strong metal. It's not going to break. If you find some other way to set it up better than the way I'm showing you in the video, go ahead. It's not going to get ruined. And if it does, you have a warranty on it. The other thing is bench test everything before you install it. Whether it's a wired or a wireless system, you want to see how it works before you permanently mount it in the vehicle. It'll give you a better understanding of how the system works, and usually it ends up with a cleaner and nicer installation. So when we get started here, let me get started with what we have here. This bracket here, or this kit that you get when you purchase the Furrion bracket kit, is the SKU number 53246. What it does is will convert our camera to work with those vehicles that have the Furrion half moon bracket already pre-wired on their vehicle. Let me show you how this works now. This setup here works with all the RV cameras that you see on our website. For example, the 93100, the 24374, or if you bought a system like the 90113 or the 90117, this bracket will work with that. It's an extra piece of hardware that'll make the installation a lot quicker. So for the different kind of cameras we have here, we have these type of cameras here. This is like a wired camera. Right? The way you set it up is you take the bracket right here and you align it. Well, this thing goes on top, right? This part, the antenna part goes on top like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to mount this on top of it. So you see it looks like this, and this is how it would look from the back, like that, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to take the screw that comes with it and you're going to install it. Let me see how I can make it look nicer for you guys here. You're going to push it through one of these holes right here. So here you got 1, 2, 3 holes. You're going to push it through this one right here, okay, like that, and then you're going to put it on the bracket itself. So the way we want it is like this, from my perspective, and I want to mount it on here like this. Okay, so then it's mounted like this, and then we're going to take the washer, put that in here, and then we're going to take this nut and put it through here like that. Okay, and we're going to tighten it up, not too tight because you want to adjust it a little bit, like that. And then we're going to do the same thing with the other side. And I'm going to show you what happens if your footprint is a little different than this one. Sometimes they are, but it still works. Anything that you buy from TadiBrothers, this bracket will work. It's guaranteed, so you have nothing to worry about. So you put it in here like this, tightening it up, and then what you want to do is you want to straighten it like this. Okay, you want to make it as straight as you can, and then you turn it around again like that. Let's put this in here. Here, I'm going to go like that, okay, because I want it up high. And then you're going to tighten it with this right here like this. So one like that and one like that. Then you put this on the bracket itself. Here, I'm going to push it down a little like that. And you're going to use, you see you have the screw here and the screw here, and the screw here and the screw here. You mount that on your half moon bracket and you're good to go. That's all there is to it. And then you just plug this portion into power. So what you would do is you would get the cable that you have here. One second here, we'll pull that out. Right here. And we plug that into the power that you have right there. And then you plug that in to the Furrion socket that you have there, and you're good to go. Okay. Now, if you have, for example, a transmitter in the setup, right? So what you would do is you would connect the power and the video right here. Okay. And then you have this thing here, and you have these two pigtails. So you might ask yourself what to do. So what you're supposed to do is you snip the cable here, okay, and you expose the red and the black. Then you connect them here, the red to the red and the black to the black, like this, and you just plug it into that socket and you're good to go. The components are all waterproof and weatherproof, so you just mount it where it's convenient for you or where you think it's nicest. Some people also like to put it inside or inside the half moon bracket. There's different ways of mounting it. Whatever works for you is fine for us. Just try it out, whatever looks nicest for you. Now, another issue that some people are having is they have a footprint that looks like this or a footprint that looks like this right here. Those are a little different. I'm going to show you how to set those up right here. So look, I'm going to unscrew it here like that. Look how easy it is. Now, another way of doing it, if you want to really mount it in some customized way, is you can always just unscrew the camera from its bracket and first mount the U bracket, and then you just put the camera onto it afterwards, right? So let me show you guys. This is going to be kind of like that, so you get a better idea of how to do it. So there's a screw right there, and then we're going to have this one right here like that. Let's open this one, because you could also probably get a tighter fit when you do that, when you do it the way I'm going to show you now. Okay, so let me put this camera aside. This is the SKU number 24374, by the way, if you were interested in that. So now we're going to take one of these brackets here. This one is similar to that other one, so that's not really going to show you much. But this one here, sometimes you get that. So all you have to do is, even though it looks different, you just match it up here like that, okay? And you put the screw through here on one of the corners, like you do right here, okay? So you can see. I'm going to do it right. Whoops. Put it right here like this. All right. And we're going to put in the washer and then the nut to close it off. Hold on. Okay. I'm not tightening it too much because I still have to put in that other screw. Right. So then you put that over here. And then you would put the other screw through the other side, like this. Okay. And we're going to put the washer. If you forget the washer and it's tight, it's not the end of the world, but we still include it. So you have it, right? You put that in here like this. Okay. There it goes. And now what I'm doing here is I'm aligning it, right? Like this. So then it's as straight as I can get it. Like that. And then I'm going to tighten it. Now what you do is you could take this screwdriver, hold it in here, right, like that, and then you would use the wrench to tighten it up even more, okay? And there you have it, right? Then you just put the camera back in where you got it. You mount this on the Furrion bracket. You put the cable through here, so it goes like that, okay? Like so. And then you just plug it into the Furrion socket and you're good to go. That's it. There's really not much to it beyond that. I mean, again, you just match them up as best you can. Sometimes it might even look like it's a little bit off, like this, right? That's fine. It just depends on the bracket that you got. The camera adjusts for it. It's got the internal gyros that if it's a degree off here or a degree off there, it's not a big deal. The idea is to get it as straight as you can and in the position that you want it, mount it, lock it in, and you're good to go. The whole point of this thing is to make the installation easier when you're installing your backup camera or your rear view system here. Okay, and then again, you just unscrew it like this, and you're good to go. So just to review, if you have the transmitters or anything like that, you shouldn't be scared to cut this cable, okay? You're going to get this thing here, and if you mess it up somehow, you give us a call. We'll just send you another one. It's really not a big deal, okay? We don't want you to be scared. We think that you'll do a good job with it, and if sometimes you cut a little too short, it's not a big deal. We'll get one out to you the same day, okay? Then if you want to take it apart, you can do this, and this is basically the Furrion kit and how to set it up and the different methods. All right. If you need more tech support, feel free to call us at 866-966-5550. Remember, at Taddy Brothers, tech support is always free. Just give us a call and we'll help you out. If you already bought this from us, I hope this video helped. If you're still shopping, pop over to TadiBrothers.com or give us a call. It would be an honor to earn your business. From all of us here at Taddy Brothers, thanks for watching and have a great day.